High above Canada's Arctic Circle, the sun never sets, revealing landscapes most travelers will never witness in daylight, or at midnight. Far to the north, a remarkable event unfolds each summer. High above the Arctic Circle, the sun forgets how to set. It circles the sky, dipping low towards the horizon, but never disappearing completely. This is the midnight sun. It bathes the landscape in a soft, continuous glow. For weeks on end, there is no true night. Only a long, gentle twilight that stretches from one day into the next. This phenomenon transforms the vast and wild spaces of Canada's far north, a region that includes the Yukon, the Northwest Territories, the immense expanse of Nunavut. These are lands of immense scale, where nature, not humanity, sets the rhythm of life. The concept of a sun shining at midnight can be difficult to imagine. The light is not the harsh, direct light of midday. Instead, it is a painter's light, soft and golden. It casts long, dramatic shadows across the terrain, highlighting every ridge and every ripple in the water. The air feels clear and still. In this strange and beautiful illumination, the world seems to hold its breath, caught in a moment of perpetual late afternoon, even as the clock ticks past midnight. This eternal daylight has a profound effect on everything. It governs the lives of plants. It dictates the movements of animals, and it shapes the cultures of the people who call this land home. To experience the midnight sun is to step into a different kind of time, one measured not by the rising and setting of the sun, but by the slow, subtle shifts in the quality of the light as it moves across the sky in its endless, circular journey. In the Yukon, there is a place of stark and breathtaking beauty, Tombstone Territorial Park. Jagged, dark peaks rise abruptly from the tundra, resembling ancient weathered markers in a vast wild graveyard. Black granite, syenite. These mountains stand like sharp teeth against the sky. During the season of the midnight sun, low-angled light catches their silhouettes, making them look even more dramatic and imposing. Snow clings to high crevasses and ledges well into summer, stark white patterns against dark rock. The golden light softens edges, painting eastern faces warm and plunging western sides into cool shadow. As the sun circles, a dark silhouette 1 hour becomes a glowing facade the next. Streams from melting snow carve thin silver lines that catch the light like threads of mercury. Between stone giants, valleys are carpeted with delicate wildflowers. Their colors glow under unending daylight. Below the great mountain peaks, the Arctic tundra stretches out in a vast, open expanse. From a distance it can look uniform, but up close it reveals a complex and vibrant ecosystem. This is not a barren wasteland, it is teeming with life adapted to this challenging environment. In summer, under the constant gaze of the midnight sun, the tundra awakens. The ground is frozen for most of the year, the top layer thaws and the landscape transforms. It becomes a soft carpet of mosses, lichens, sedges, and low-lying shrubs. The low golden sun turns greens and browns into ochre, russet, and gold. It feels like walking across a sea of soft light. Dotted across this expanse are tiny, resilient wildflowers, bright purple saxifrage, sunny yellow poppies, white mountain avens. They open their petals to unending light, absorbing precious energy in a short growing season. Beneath lies permafrost. Thawed surfaces form ponds and bogs, raised hummocks and polygon patterns, land slowly sculpted by ice. As rivers melt, neon blue pools, colored by fine glacial silt, glow under the midnight sun, as if a piece of the sky fell to earth. The constant daylight of the Arctic summer profoundly influences animal behavior. With no true night to signal rest, life becomes a continuous flow of activity. One of the most magnificent spectacles is the movement of the great caribou herds. They travel in vast numbers, sometimes stretching from one horizon to the other. Their slow, deliberate movements track the lichens and sedges that sustain them. Watching a herd cross the land at midnight is deeply moving. Their coats, brown, gray, white, blend with the tundra's subtle colors. For generations, they've been vital for food, clothing, and tools. Endless daylight lets them forage at all hours, building reserves for winter. When the wind calms, lakes become mirrors. Watch the sun's golden path at 2 in the morning. The lonely call of a loon carries for miles across the silence. Ducks and other waterfowl leave soft wakes on bright water. Mosquitoes emerge in dense clouds. Annoying, yes, but essential to the food chain. Constant light gives insects, caribou, and flowers more time to thrive. The far north is not an empty wilderness, it is a homeland. Inuit and other indigenous peoples have thrived here for thousands of years. Small, resilient communities dot the coasts and rivers. Homes withstand extreme cold, yet in summer, life spills outdoors. With no darkness to dictate bedtime, day and night become fluid. Children might still be playing late into the evening. Endless light fuels hunting, fishing, and gathering. Boats head for seal or narwhal, nets are set for char. Essential work continues around the clock, guided by tides and weather, not the wall clock. Stories, language, and art reflect a profound understanding of the Arctic world. Inuit art depicts animals, daily life, and spiritual beliefs. Knowledge shared and preserved. Colorful homes stand against muted tundra. ATVs hum, gulls cry, water laps the shore. In this bright, unending light, you feel the resilience and quiet strength of people who've called this place home for generations. The phenomenon of the midnight sun is only one half of a dramatic story of light and dark. The same axial tilt that gives endless day plunges the Arctic into a winter of profound darkness. For weeks or months, the sun never rises. The stars fill the sky and the aurora borealis dances. After the summer solstice, the sun dips lower each day. Brief horizon touch, a short twilight, then darkness. Plants go dormant, many animals migrate, the land falls into frozen sleep. For people, life turns inward. Warm, sanctuary, stories, games, crafts, quieter, reflective, centered on family and community. Summer light brings energy and sleep challenges. Winter darkness demands resilience and positivity. They cherish spring's returning light and find peace in the long night. To understand the Arctic, you must understand both extremes, the midnight sun's magic and the polar night's memory. While grand landscapes first capture the imagination, much of the magic is found in small details. The experience is defined by profound, pervasive quiet. No crowds, highways, or industrial hum. Stand still, hear the whisper of wind, the buzz of insects, a distant trickle, the call of a bird. Silence lets you notice lichens, some centuries old, etched on stone. Brave wildflowers push through thin soil, their petals open to the sky. Permafrost sculpts polygons and pingos. Sedge tussocks make walking springy and uneven. Clear, cold ponds reflect like broken mirrors, feeding streams and rivers. Here, absence defines presence. You can walk for days without seeing a road, a fence, or another person. Solitude feels peaceful. Being a small part of something immense and ancient offers clarity and connection. In the Arctic midnight, surrounded by the grand and the small, a rare calm and wonder emerges. The experience of the midnight sun in Canada's far north stays with you. The golden light on black peaks, a caribou herd moving across the endless tundra, the silence of a mirror-like lake at 2 a.m. Powerful, enduring impressions. Wild, beautiful, fundamentally different, ancient, pristine, profoundly peaceful. Yet the Arctic is fragile, warming is rapid, permafrost thaws, sea ice shrinks, balances shift. The future of caribou, polar bears, and the cultures tied to this land is uncertain. Protecting these landscapes is a responsibility for all. Travel with local guides, listen to elders, leave no trace. Walk softly, observe from afar. Support communities whose stewardship preserved this wilderness. Learn, support, protection efforts. Reduce your climate impact, and share these stories as part of our planet's health. If you love the world's most remote and surreal natural wonders, subscribe and join Global Explorer every Monday and Friday.